Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be drinking this 1 liter of Yakult probiotic, and one of this bottle contains 80 ml, probably 13 to make 1040 ml. And let's now pour it. All we need is just 13 bottles of this. Alright. Prepping. So we only need 3. Now we're going to pour this all here in our 1 liter of bottle. Alright. Let's go. Go. I'm excited to drink this. Right. 4, 5, 5 down. 7. Alright. 8. 9. 3 more. Init. Alright. 2 more. One last, and let's go. Woo! Right, wait. Right. Before we start, woo. Okay, 1 liter of Yakult probiotic. Let's see how fast we can drink this. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Done. Whew. I'm full, but I still can drink more of this. And that's it. Thank you for watching drinking 13 bottles or 1000 ml of Yakult probiotic in seconds. See you on my next video.